Today I wanted to talk a little bit about terminology. In the dance world, we use a lot of different terms, and some of the steps can go by different names, and dégagé is no exception to that. Traditionally, we just call dégagés simply that, dégagé. It means disengaged. However, it can also go by the term battement tendu jeté if we're talking the Russian method of ballet. If we're talking the French version, then it can go by battement glissé. And when we're talking about the Italian method, then we're talking about battement dégagé. So to start with, the term battement, it simply means beating. And this is in reference to us beating our legs when we close them. When we talk about the term battement tendu jeté, now that translates into battement stretched or thrown. And battement glissé translates to battement glided or slipped. And our battement dégagé is a disengaged battement. We want our dancers to be able to know some of the different terms, because if any of our dancers are training under a different instructor or they're studying elsewhere, we don't want anyone to be surprised if they hear something different. And in class, we dive a lot deeper into more of the meanings of each of these, but hopefully this kind of gives you a little bit of a better understanding. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.